In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change YouTube channel Gmail account. To begin, open a web browser on your computer and go to YouTube Studio. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account that currently owns the YouTube channel. YouTube Studio is where you manage your channel settings, and it is also where you can control who has access to your channel. Once you are inside YouTube Studio, look for Settings. It is usually found near the lower left area of the page. Click Settings, then find and select Permissions. This is the section that lets you add another Google account to help manage the channel, or transfer ownership in a controlled way. If you do not see permissions, it can mean your channel is not set up with the right type of access management, but for most channels this option will be available. In Permissions, choose the option to invite a new user. Carefully type the new Gmail address you want to add. Double-check the spelling before you continue, because the invitation will go to that exact inbox. Next, choose the role you want to assign. You will typically select Manager or Owner. Manager is useful for day-to-day channel work, while Owner is required if you plan to fully transfer primary ownership later. After you select the role, click Done, and then click Save to confirm the change. If you leave without saving, the invitation may not be sent. Now switch to the new Gmail account and open its inbox. Find the invitation email from YouTube, then accept the invite. If you do not see it right away, check the spam or promotions folders, and make sure you are signed into the correct Gmail account. After the invitation is accepted, there is an important waiting period. You must wait 7 days before you can make the new email the primary owner. This delay is a standard security measure by YouTube. Once 7 days have passed, go back to YouTube Studio, return to Settings, then Permissions, locate the added account, and set it as the primary owner. That covers everything you need to know.